In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase. By the end, you'll feel confident moving BTC safely and correctly. First, get the recipient's Bitcoin address from the wallet you're sending to. This is a long string of letters and numbers, and it must be a Bitcoin address specifically. Some wallets display a QR code. If you see one, use it to avoid typos. Otherwise, copy the address exactly and never try to retype it by hand. Sending to the wrong type of address or the wrong network can result in a permanent loss of funds. Now open Coinbase on your phone or head to the website and sign in. If you need the app or the site, I've placed the official download links and the website link right at the top of the description for easy access. On the Coinbase home screen, choose Send Crypto. This opens the send form. Paste the Bitcoin address you copied into the recipient field. Take a moment to verify the first and last few characters match what you copied. If anything looks off, stop and recopy the address from the destination wallet. Next, select Bitcoin, or BTC, as the asset you're sending. This ensures the transaction travels on the correct network. Then, enter the amount you want to send. You can usually toggle between entering the amount in BTC or in your local currency, whichever feels clearer. Keep in mind there may be a network fee, and minimums can apply depending on your region and settings. Tap Preview to review the details. Carefully check the recipient address, confirm that the network is Bitcoin, and verify the amount. If you want to add a note or memo for your own records or to help the recipient identify the transfer, you can include that here. It's optional and won't affect the blockchain transaction itself. When everything looks right, confirm and follow the on-screen prompts to send. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to verify the action before it goes out. Once sent, you'll see a status update in Coinbase. Bitcoin confirmations take time, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly on the other side. A few final safety reminders. Always double-check the full address before you send. Make sure you're sending on the Bitcoin network. And if this is your first transfer to a new wallet, start with a small test amount before sending the full balance. That's it. You've sent Bitcoin from Coinbase. If this helped, don't forget those links at the top of the description, and thanks for watching.